Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake for gym. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality protein powder, ideally with 20 to 25 grams of protein. Next, pick your liquid base, like almond milk or regular milk. Don't forget a healthy fat source, such as 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and a fruit like a banana for natural energy and flavor. Now, let's get blending. Always pour your liquid base into the blender first. This helps prevent the protein powder from sticking to the bottom. Add your protein powder, fruit, and any other supplements. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until everything is perfectly smooth. If it's too thick, just add a splash more liquid. Want to supercharge your shake? You can easily customize it. Try adding 1 teaspoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. A handful of spinach is a great way to sneak in more greens without changing the flavor. For a colder, thicker shake, toss in a few ice cubes. A 1/4 cup of rolled oats can also provide sustained energy. Your delicious and nutritious gym milkshake is ready. For optimal results, aim to drink it within 30 minutes after your workout. This timing is crucial for muscle recovery and replenishing your energy levels. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Enjoy your hard work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.